Alright, so it's been about an hour or so. Here is the status of the bumper. It's unfolding a little bit, as you can tell. This side almost looks about like halfway ready. This side still has a long way to go, but you know, this is only the first hour. I think they said 4 hours total outside, so. Alright, so here's the bumper after about 4 hours or so. Not bad looking. Unfortunately, the sun moved on us a little bit. So it's like 97% unfolded. There's a little bit of a crease there. And a little bit of a crease kind of there. But overall, it's looking pretty good. Just because we can, I'm going to go ahead and try to leave this out in the sun again for a full day. Maybe work out any wrinkles or creases that I didn't catch with my eye. But overall, pretty happy with how it's turning out. All right. So the bumper's been sitting in the sun again for another couple of hours, and I think it's 100% now. Yeah, everything looks straight. Kind of crazy to think that, you know, just yesterday this was folded up completely, and now it has undone itself. So pretty stoked about that. Paint looks good as well. Obviously it's a little dusty right now. I just got to clean it up, but yeah. Next step is let's try to fit it and take off the old bumper. Now, doing a facelift swap on this car should be relatively easy. All you really need is a new front bumper, obviously, a new grille, and that's pretty much it. Everything else should match up. So I got my front bumper up there and my new grille right there. So let's go ahead and give this a shot. Okay, badge is off, and so now we're gonna go ahead and remove the bumper. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 clips here, and then if we go over onto each side of the bumper, there. And I think we also have to remove these clips here for the fender liner. And we're gonna do the same thing on this side. So let's get those off. Now there are clips right here. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to just give a good confident yank, take it off those clips. Then there should be a couple of more at the headlight area. Same thing on the other side. It should come right off. That wasn't too bad at all. It's off. Now, just in case you have fog lights on yours, just know that you'll have some wire harnesses connected to the fog lights. So once you take off the bumper, just take those off, and yeah, you should be able to remove the bumper. Okay, the grille is in. Just for your information, there's 1, 2, 3, and 4 like push clips that hold the grille up here, and then we got like a number 6 or a number 8 self-tapping screw here and here. And then also you're gonna have them here, 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 and here. These bottom 4 right here are gonna be pretty important, otherwise you're gonna have a bit of a gap underneath. But once you get those in, screw them in, looks pretty good. All right, let's get on to the car. Okay, really weird problem. The other side is perfectly in. This side, however, seems just about that much short. Yeah, that's really strange. Gonna try to keep forcing it in, but I don't know. All right, so I want you guys to see here, for some odd reason, it is way too short on one side. Like, this bumper is just not long enough. I've got all the tabs pretty much matched on this side. The other side lines up. I mean, there's still some gaps, but look how much shorter this side is. Like, so you see kind of where that black bracket is? That's where this end of this bumper needs to go over. It is a good ½ inch, maybe, too short. I have no idea how I'm gonna be able to even wrestle this on, but I'm gonna struggle with this off camera. But yeah, I don't know where I'm gonna get ½ inch. You can see everything else kind of lines up already. Yeah, I don't know. Nothing can ever go well. Maybe this is my fault for not going OEM. Okay, I did did the best I could. Still maybe about 3 to 4 mil of a gap compared to the other side, but I mean, it's better. That's something, right? Yeah, I definitely don't want to be taking this bumper on and off much, but unfortunately, this is the best that we can do at the moment, so I guess I'll take it.